Hi kids! Welcome back to another exciting lesson. Today, we're going to learn about singulars and plurals. What's the difference? Let's find out with fun examples. Singular means one thing. Plural means more than one thing. To make plurals, we usually add s or es to the singular word. Let me show you how. This is a cat. If there's more than one cat, we say cats. Great. Here is a duck. If there are more than one, we say ducks. Awesome. This is a ball. When we have more, we say balls. Wonderful tree becomes trees. Kite becomes kites. Hat becomes hats. Now let's talk about words where we add es to make plurals. This is a watch. When there's more than one, we say watches. Great, here is a fox. If we see more than one, we say foxes. Fantastic. This is a tomato. When we have more, we say tomatoes. Awesome bus becomes buses. Box becomes boxes. Mango becomes mangoes. That's all for today, kids. Now you know how to change singular words into plurals. Keep practicing with your favorite words. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time.